Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm bringing you another baking video, and today I made a chocolate chip cookie cheesecake which turned out pretty well and it was surprisingly easy, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started. So you want to start by making your chocolate chip cookie layer first because that'll be your crust and your topping. So for the ingredients, you are going to need a half cup of butter that is completely melted, a half cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a 3/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. First, you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now this method is basically just to combine everything. So take your melted butter and your brown sugar and take a electric mixer and combine it all up. Add in your egg, your vanilla, and combine. Add in your flour, fold to combine. I just used a spatula, and then add in your chocolate chips and again fold to combine. And then you want to just set that aside so that we can get started with our cheesecake portion. For the cheesecake, you are going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/3 cup sugar, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now again, you just combine everything, so you want to start off with your cream cheese and sugar, blend it all up, add in your egg and your teaspoon of vanilla, and beat until blended nicely. Alright, so we're going to put that aside and go back to the cookie layer and grab a pan. So I recommend grabbing aluminum foil so that you can get the cheesecake out of the pan nicely, and also lightly greasing it if you have baking spray. And so you want to pour in 3/4 of your cookie batter in, and then you just want to press it in with your fingers to evenly distribute it and create a nice crust. After that, you can pour in all of your cheesecake mixture and try and evenly distribute that as well. And with your remaining cookie batter, you can just create little chunks on the top to create a nice little topping, and maybe a few chocolate chips here and there as well, just for decoration. Then you just want to throw it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Mine took about 28, and I let it cool for a while, and then I let it chill in the fridge just so that I could cut it evenly and it would look nice. The aluminum foil definitely helped with taking the cheesecake out easily, so I definitely recommend doing that. I didn't realize how much of a basic ass, easy ass recipe this was, so I apologize. This was not well, not that any of my videos are really instructional, it's just me making random stuff and just documenting it. But I actually didn't make a mistake because this one's kind of impossible to make a mistake. So hooray, I made one actually, you know, following the instructions and stuff, so that's cool. Anyways, I don't really like cheesecake, to be completely honest. My parents like it though, so yeah, I kind of make all of my baking stuff for them. I do have a big sweet tooth, but I just never eat anything I make. So I did a taste test for you though. It was pretty good, but again, not really my thing, so I wouldn't really be eating it. But if you're a huge cheesecake fan, then I definitely recommend. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not particularly trying to teach you anything or whatever, or entertain you. I'm kind of just documenting my baking life because I bake anyways, so it's kind of like, why not just bake it with you guys? And if it creates any ideas for you, that would be cool too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you next time.